boy 3.8 dude just pulled up. You feel me? What up, brother?
Good, man.
Chilling? Yes, sir. How you been, bro?
Straight, bro.
Chilling.
I need gas. I didn't know that shit was locked up.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody got the side skirts on and shit.
Yeah, man. I did a couple modifications, bro, since we met. Yeah, I had to, bro. I had to. This one's more smaller, and it's,
Oh, for real?
yeah,
What you do to it? Like you like taped it or like you actually screwed it in?
it's bolt
Bolts?
on. Yeah.
It came
Yeah.
with it?
Yeah, it came with the screws. Yeah, it wasn't that bad. Hey, bro, look, today, y'all,
Oh shit. Oh,
I was driving, right? Bro, I hit a bump, and I seen some shit fly out. I'm like, what the fuck? I'm thinking it's my lip.
again.
But I stopped. I looked at my lip, because I didn't think of this shit. This is the first thing I looked at. I was like, oh, okay, cool. And cause someone told me to look back, I look back. I'm like, what the fuck? So now I called the pull apart. I'm gonna just pick up the scoop tomorrow. They have it tomorrow, so I'm gonna just get it.
Fuck with the carbon fibers and shit. You trim
Yeah.
after yourself?
No, I went to a shop for that.
Yeah, you bought this one right separate, right?
Yeah.
That shit clean, bro.
Yeah,
I
appreciate
actually
it.
just bought some vinyl wrap and try to wrap the inside like home
Yeah.
big center console.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to do it myself. See how I can.
Yeah, I'm thinking about doing that too. Yes, sir. And look at this shit.
Oh yeah, the mirrors too.
Man.
What you got
It was like 89. This is real.
I already know.
Yeah. Well,
I've been seeing the prices. I'm like, shit.
I got them on eBay, bro. Yeah. Nah, this is what I did today. Yeah, bro.
You already got that shit on, bro.
Yep.
Motherfucker is low though.
Yeah, it does, right?
Low this car, bro. That shit.
Yeah. It's alright. It's cool.
Oh, they had to cut out the balance.
Yeah, so I put the bash bar on, and I had to cut out the thing. Yeah, so. Yeah, bro. I've been cooking, bro. That means it's been a long time, bro, since we met, bro.
Way too long, bro.
That ass, bro.
When you posted that shit, I was like, I know this nigga ain't go out of state to get that shit.
Nah, I didn't go out of state for no reason, bro. Shit.
I 20 something on this motherfucker.
Oh yeah, I see.
That shit, I just needed that little fit.
This
bro.
shit look crazy.
I put
Okay.
big ass. I put 275s on that shit, so it make it look like it's lower, but that shit's still high.
275s, yeah.
275 on that bit, and I added this motherfucker onto it.
Yeah, I seen this shit go hard.
Yeah, I added that
This shit go hard.
Then painted it black and shit.
Oh, this is the diffuser, right?
Hey, yeah, I just bought the bottom part and just painted this one. Painted both together, so
Okay.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Trying to get it. Trying to do some little cooking as well. Like,
Yeah. But I went
I
crazy,
respect
bro.
it. You shit look crazy.
Yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Alright, y'all. We about to get some gas. We about to roll out to this meet real quick. Yeah, 12 is out, bro. What the fuck? We just got here, bro. That shit is crazy. Bro, look at this shit, bro. That shit is crazy. Yeah. Probably gonna have a new spot and shit. Alright, y'all, we at the meet and shit. This shit active for real. You got niggas revving over there and shit. What the fuck? We got deep. This is another location that they said in the chat, so this shit got deep as fuck though. It's crazy. Oh shit, what the fuck? Not everybody, bro. This is crazy. This shit is deep as fuck, y'all. We got the GTI. Hey, my boy got the carbon fiber mirror caps. This is clean.
Oh my God! Wow!
Got another BK1. You feel me? This is my boy right there. They about to race. What the fuck? That's crazy. Got a BK1. We just seen this nigga on the road, bro. It's crazy. Yeah. Huh? Highway, alright. Oh yeah, yeah, turn my headlights. Yes, sir.
That GTI nigga, that motherfucker
Yes, sir.
nigga zoomed up.
Right. Yeah, that GTI, bro. They don't sleep on them, bro. Probably got an upgraded turbo or some shit. Cause like I was right there and then he just took off.
No, in fact, I was with y'all shit.
Yeah. Yeah. I just gotta get used to the gears and shit.
You gotta do what?
I gotta get used to the gears.
But that's my thing too.
Yeah.
I struggle with that shit.
These gears sometimes they don't, you know, act right and shit.
That's why that last one. That's what happened. I was
Yeah,
like,
yeah. Same thing with me. Yeah. Sometimes they got, I don't know, a delay or some shit. But we about to get some shots in this shit. That completes the video. It was a little short video because this was just like a little meetup type shit. So, y'all boys stay tuned for more videos. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. J3.8 logging out.